crafty friends, welcome to my video today. Thank you so much for joining me here. This is a video that I've been a little bit scared to film for a few weeks. I guess maybe not scared, that's a bit of a strong word. I've simply been avoiding it because I don't know that I have the right words and I don't know that I will say them all perfectly. So I'm just going to dive in and I'm going to try to share my heart with you, and I would be so grateful if you would stick around for this video. Let's start with the title. The YouTube hustle sucks. It really does. I really don't like that word sucks, but there really is no other word for it. It simply sucks. And that thumbnail, was it meant to get you to click on this video? Yeah, a little bit. Let me just be honest, a little bit. But that's the thing. That is the thing about YouTube, is there is a hustle. And I don't want to quit YouTube. I want to be in this space with you, sharing my crafty finds and my crafty projects that I love so much. And I honestly don't want to quit. I've seen so many of my favorite YouTubers quit over the last few years, and it makes me really sad. I miss them, I think about them, and I wish they were still here. So while I don't think it's time for me to quit YouTube, as the thumbnail might have suggested, I do apologize, I do think it's time for me to quit the hustle. Over this last year, I have felt a deep pull to slow down, to show up for my family in a better way. As I do that, I fail at being consistent on YouTube every week. I don't want to always be jumping on camera and sharing how hard things have been or explaining why life has been messy. Because honestly, it's not that things are super hard or super messy or super crazy. It's just life. But there are moments that this YouTube hustle that I'm in, it sort of requires that. Like, why didn't I post a video last week? Or why was my video late? Or what is happening? Every week, it feels like there's another wave crashing down on me. And I'm faced with the choice to either hustle and fake a smile or take a step back. To decide what is safe to say or what might not offend somebody and how to show up. And there are days and weeks that I'm running on empty. It is really scary to want something to work so badly, but to realize that the way everyone says you should do it just doesn't feel right. I'm told to collaborate with other YouTubers, and every single YouTuber I reach out to declines. Maybe my channel's not big enough. Maybe they don't like what I do or what I stand for. Whatever it is, it's completely their choice, right? But they decline. I'm told to chase after brand deals, and every time something starts, it falls apart. I'm told to do those fancy top 10 Amazon craft find videos. Get those clicks, get those links. That's how you make it work. But here's the thing. I don't want any of that. I don't want to push products I don't love. I did that for too many years. I don't want to chase the algorithm or the hustle just to keep up. I don't want to say, click my link just to get a commission. I started filming videos because I wanted to connect. I started this channel with a friend because we lived 4 hours apart and we loved crafting together. And it was this crafty way that we showed up and we shared with others. And we got to see what others were doing. We got to be a part of the crafty community, even from so many miles apart. I want to share things that I make and things that I love. I want to see what other people are creating. And most of all, I want to help people tell their stories. I want to find ways to create memory systems that truly work for other people. So why am I being so dramatic? I get it. This is all a little bit dramatic, right? So here it is. For the month of November, I'm stepping away from YouTube. I'm not quitting. I'm just slowing down. In the last 15 years, I've been doing YouTube. I've never, ever stepped away like this. I always prepare content when I am going to step away for a week so that there's videos up or there is things that are crafty that are happening. And I've honestly never stepped away for more than a week, partly because I love being in my craft room and creating and filming. I love editing. I love posting videos. I love writing blog posts. I love taking photos, and I love sharing with you. But for the month of November, I will just take a step back. And this is so very scary. It feels scary to step back when YouTube says, don't miss a post. It feels scary to leave everybody and feel like, will you all still want me when I come back? But I will be back. So the very last of November, the very last day of November, I will be back to kick off my 4th year of Craftmiss. This is where I post a video 5 days a week. If you're a member, you will get a video on the weekends as well, so it'll be 7 days a week for you. But this is something that I dreamed up many years ago, and my dream was always that one day it would grow into a fun community-wide event. And that hasn't really happened. But you know what? Even if it's just me sharing Craftmiss with you, I still love it. During Craftmiss, again, I will be sharing 5 videos a week. So Monday through Friday, you will see a video from me. If you're a member, you will see a video on Saturday and Sundays as well. So there will be 7 days of content each week leading up to Christmas. I don't want to disappear from YouTube. I just want to find balance again. I want to show up for my family and give them my best. I want my kids to feel supported and loved. And I want to show up as a wife and honestly a housewife before I show up as a YouTuber. In the meantime, from now until the very end of November, you can join my YouTube membership, which you can watch past content. There's a ton of it there. You can binge over 1,000 videos I've posted on YouTube over many years. You can like those videos, you can share them, and you can even do this new thing called Hype, where if you look at the comments from your device, there'll be 3 little dots where you would write a comment or type a comment. And if you swipe that, you have the ability to hype my video, and you can hype 3 videos a week. And I would appreciate it if you would do that to some of my past videos. So thank you so much for your understanding, for hanging out with me, for being a part of this community, and for all of your support. I look forward to Craftmiss and jumping back in and feeling what I hope will be different about the YouTube journey that I'm on and my channel here. So thank you so much for your support, and I look forward to catching up with you during Craftmiss. I hope you all have a wonderful November, a wonderful Thanksgiving if you're celebrating, and I will catch you in my very next video.